Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. Today, she's coming home, she's coming. My round coin purse is coming home. Wrong glasses. 3, 2, 1. Oh. That's better. I can see you properly now. Yes, my Louis Vuitton round coin purse is back from her trip to the repair spa. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get in and see what state she's in. Fingers crossed she's perfect. Here we go. Oh no, here we don't go. Oh. Oh, so that's, oh, ship to Bond Street. Hello. What have we got here? So I've got this little card that came in the box. We have the pleasure of returning your repaired product. Your product has been carefully repaired by our expert craftsmen who work meticulously to restore your product to the highest standard of quality. I've got 2 boxes here. I sent one thing off for repair. Let's open this one. Please, please, please. Oh look, I can just slide it. And while I'm getting into this, I will let you know that I bought this round coin purse, pre-loved, December 2019. Came to use it and a little bit of the zip fabric had come away. Contacted the seller. She said, oh, I didn't know anything about it. I bought it pre-loved off someone else and I never used it, so I never saw it. So a little bit, really love, are you sure? But paid PayPal friends and family, so I had no, oh, I'm so nervous. I had no comeback. Earlier this year, I got in contact with my client advisor, Fergus at Bond Street. Go and look him up. He is fabulous. And he said, yeah, send it in, and we'll get it sent off for you. So I sent it in. It arrived at Bond Street on the 12th of March. And I was given an estimated repair date of, or return from repair date of the 25th of April. And it arrived on like the 27th of May or something like that. Anyway, oh, they gave me another box. How cute. So she's all, oh, I've got a long dust bag. Please be okay. This all, there we go. Oh. Rub, 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 rub. Bungle. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes. Oh, I've missed her. I mean, she's a small thing. I've not been using coins, but I have missed her. I've wanted to use her for my headphones. Again, I haven't been going anywhere, but you know, it'd be quite nice to have them tucked away in there. So, oh yes, she is back and she is in excellent condition. She is like new. Fantastic. Oh, I'm so pleased. Yes. Okey-dokey. Yes. Oh, that's brilliant. Excellent. Thank you very much. Now, when I sent it in, Fergus did say that the repair team had wanted to charge me for the repair. And this is only a couple of years old, so really it shouldn't have happened in the first place, the damage. I don't see how anyone could have ripped it or torn it deliberately. So I guess it was just a fault in this particular piece when it went out. So yes, the repairs team wanted to charge me. They wanted to charge me £125 to fix it. But Fergus said, no, we are not going to charge you, Gwenny. And I said, thank you, Fergus. You are indeed the most wonderful client advisor in the world. These are such great pieces, and I am really, really annoyed with Louis Vuitton for actually discontinuing this piece and only bringing it out for the Christmas animations and any sort of limited edition ones they want to do. because it is such a brilliant piece, whether it's you use it for coins or keeping hairbands and things like that in, or keeping your headphones in, anything like that. It is just a really useful piece to have. Oh look, hubby helped me take off my jade bangle earlier today. Look, it never ceases to amaze me how this can actually go on when it is that small and my hand is that big, and it's got to get over. I mean, look at it. Absolutely nuts. But with a lot of washing up liquid and a plastic bag, you can get it on and off. And I've got a little bit of a bruise coming up. It's mostly sore about here and here. Usually it would be sore here, but it's mostly sore around here. Anyway, the reason that I'm showing you that is because, oh look, be a great little jewellery holder as well. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, go ahead, come and join us here. Hit subscribe and ring my bell. Give the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, what's in here? Oh, this is exciting. I'm going to undo the ribbon on this one. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. I have got a little stack of perfume testers. I've got one, oh my lord. I've got 1, 2, 3 On the Beach, 1, 2, 3 California Dream, and 1, 2, 3 Imagination. Thank you, Fergus. Now, I had mentioned to him before that I really wanted to try California Dream because everyone had been talking about it and I've never had the opportunity to try it. So I'm going to do a spray here, a spray here, and a spray here. And I don't think that's a particularly good idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. This one is On the Beach. Look at how cute that colour is. On the Beach. Ooh. I'm going to put you over here. Ready? Oh, it's been a while since I did a perfume sample taste test for you, giving you my notes. Oh, that's fresh. It is fresh. It is a bit salty as well. Ah, it smells like a cocktail with, it's quite like pink grapefruit, maybe a bit of gin. Oh, me likey, yes. This next one is Imagination. This is the newest of the Louis Vuitton perfumes, and my fellow Insta babe and YouTube babe, Thomas Talks, Lux Scott on Instagram, did a video about this one not that long ago, in the last week or so. Right, this one's going to go straight on my neck. Oh, that one's quite perfumery. Now, I did say, was it this one, Thomas, that you said was quite lemony? I'm not really getting lemon. I'm getting a bit of rose. A little bit almost powdery, a little bit Turkish delighty. Yeah, it's like a hint of rose. I don't like heavily rose flavoured things, but okay. I do not dislike it. This is the one that I am most excited to try. California Dream. This is the one that I've seen everywhere. Everyone's been talking about it. It's all on Instagram. Just look at that pink and blue. How cute is that? Okay, I've got high hopes. I really want this one to be good because I'd quite like to buy a bottle of it if it's nice. Please be good. was not expecting that. Oh. Oh. This smells... This makes me feel... It's spicy. It's a bit powdery. It makes me feel like I've been swimming all day in a swimming pool. Oh, and I'm having like a barbecue for dinner. I do not know how to describe this. It's quite masculine, and I like that. I'm not a big fan of florally. I tend to gravitate towards the men's fragrances, especially at Louis. Might have to get a bottle of that. So I'm going to be sniffing myself a lot for the next couple of hours, and if I do buy any of these, you will be the first to know. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it the thumbs up, love, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye.